friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new KTM Duke 390 BS6 vehicle 2021 variant. So before going to start the video, please subscribe to MotorBeast channel for the more updates like adventurous vehicle and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So let's start the video. So coming to the front part, here you can see all the LED treatments of headlights, and transparent visor has been provided with the KTM Duke 390. And coming to the front suspension comes with the WP open carrier USD 43mm front stock. Here you can see the batching on the suspension of WP. And coming to the front tire profile comes with a 110 70 17 inches tires is massive enough for the adventurous and also with the off-roading of this vehicle. Coming to the discs, as the front comes with the 320mm of single disc with a dual channel ABS on after the safety features. Coming to the front size, tire profile comes with this 431.8mm. Both the tires are tubeless tires provided with alloy wheels. Coming to the side profile, here you can see the Duke batching has been provided at the petrol tank position with the 390. At 390 has been retained with the bold letters. And coming to the engine placement, other side, the engine placement total displacement comes with a 373.2 cc engine displacement of this 390. And coming to the max power comes with a 43.5 PS of power at 9000 rpm. Max torque comes with a 37 Nm of torque at 7000 rpm produces at this 390 cc engine. And coming to the single cylinder liquid cooled engine 4 valves per cylinder produces on this vehicle. So here you can see the detailing of the front foot pegs with the adventurous design has been provided with the KTM, and also with the rear suspension comes with a WP monoshock adjustable with a wide treatment of written, and adventurous badge has been provided with the side profile, and also KTM badge has been provided with the pillion holders. And exhaust sound is very nice and far better compared to older generation of this exhaust sound is much better in sound. And coming to the rear disc, and rear disc size comes with the 230mm of rear disc size. Both the dual channel ABS has been provided. Coming to the rear tire profile comes with a 150 60 17 inches. The alloy wheels design on this vehicle is very adventurous, and sharp blade design has been provided with the gloss black finish of this alloy wheels. And tubeless tires have also been provided with the rear tire. Rear tire also comes with a 431.8mm. And overall here you can see the side profile is very nice and glossy looks with the adventurous looks has been provided with the KTM Duke 390. Coming to the rear profile, all the LED treatments has been provided at the tail lights, and all the 4 indicators has been also provided with the LEDs. And number plate position is also very nice compared to front. Rear is also very nice. Design on the tires are very nice. It is very helpful in the adventurous and also with the off-roading of this vehicle. This is a perfect vehicle as per my opinion to compare to KTM's in the comfort levels. And coming to other side, left side here you can see the Sadi card has been provided with the metal quality finishing. Build quality is very nice overall. Chain drive, open chain drive has been provided on this vehicle. You get only self start only. Fuel injection supply has been provided on this BS6 vehicle. Assistant and slippery clutch also been provided for this adventurous 390 Duke beyond this BS6 vehicle. Coming to the ignition sides, controlled fuel electronic ignition system with digital ignition timing adjustment has been provided on this generation with a 6-speed manual transmission gearbox with a 89mm of bore with a 60mm of stroke has been provided. Here you can see the detail of coolant box has been provided with the left side, 390 badge and the stickering on the left side, and also with the right side of the petrol tank is very nice and awesome look of that on this BS6 vehicles. And coming to the additional features, fully control over incoming calls and audio players has been also provided on this generation in 2021 for this KTM Duke 390. And coming to the chargings of this vehicle, you get 12 charging point also on this vehicle. Coming to the chassis and suspensions of the vehicle, split steel trail frame come with the suspension and also with the chassis. Body type comes with the sports snagged bikes. Front suspension WP also with the WP monoshock at the rear. And coming to the left side handlebars, RN indicators, and these 4 buttons has been provided for the control of instrument cluster. I will say at the end of the video. And coming to the here you can see the single switch has been provided for the pass light also with the high beam and low beam. This is BS6 variant, so automatically LED lights has been on these headlights on this generation. Coming to the dimensions of the vehicle, 13.5 liters of fuel tank capacity has been provided on this generation with no changes compared to older generation also. Saddle height comes with the 830 mm of saddle height. The ground clearance of the vehicle comes with the 185 mm of ground clearance. Wheelbase of the vehicle comes with the 1357. Overall the weight comes with a 163 kg. Very lightweight vehicle as per my opinion compared to adventurous vehicles of other vehicles. Coming to the right side handlebars, engine kill switch and self start button has been provided. One dummy switch has been provided for the azalite switch for the of the market, and also with the suspension has been provided WP batching on the front. Here you can see the from the upside spoke and wide enough of these handlebars. Coming to the instrument cluster, fully LCD display has been provided of this instrument cluster. Full swipe on offer, ready to race, same batching as old from the first generation of this Duke KTM. And coming to here you can see the complete LCD display with the speedometer, neutral indication, gear indications, trip meters of adjustable of odometer with the chassis, and also with the trip meter also adjustable of this digital console on this LCD display. And you can operate from these 4 buttons and set the modes of this vehicle in off-roading, also with a highways of long journeys of this vehicle. We have total 3 modes on offer on this Duke 390. Coming to the price of the vehicle, you all are waiting for the price of the vehicle. I know that the price is slightly higher side as per my opinion, because the branding of the KTM and also with the horsepower has very much improved now compared to BS4 to BS6. Coming to the price of the vehicle, the price of the vehicle comes with the 3,68,900 ex-showroom Hyderabad in Kukatpalli Y Junction. So please visit Kukatpalli Y Junction showroom to get the test drive vehicle and also pick up the vehicle with the best offers and also with the best prices of the discounts on offer. So overall, coming to the comparisons on market of this vehicle, you get total 4 colors on offer. The comparisons of the vehicle: Dominar 400, BMW G310R, KTM Duke 250, all the way to 577. Also with a CF Moto 300 NK comes the competition in the market with the comparison of this vehicle. There are total 4 colors on offer as per my opinion. Now I'm showing in the video this color is perfectly for the city rides and also with adventurous touring bike. So overall this is a walk around video. Soonly I'm going to upload the test drive video. Please comments for test drive video. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you till not subscribe to Motorbee channel, please subscribe for the more updates. Follow me on Instagram guys, link in the description. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.